Let me tell you why you're here. You're here because you know something. What you know you can't explain, but you feel it. You felt it your entire life, that there's something wrong with the world. You don't know what it is, but it's there, like a splinter in your mind, driving you mad. It is this feeling that has brought you to me. Do you know what I'm talking about?
The Matrix.
Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room, it is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth.
What truth?
That you are a slave, Neo. Like everyone else, you were born into bondage, born into a prison that you cannot smell or taste or touch. A prison for your mind.
I got 100 on my dash, got 200 in my trunk. Name in the grab bags, put my Bible in the trunk. Like a fighter on the top of my binocular, I'm drunk. How can make them popular? Pop 'em when I want. See, I'm living with anxiety, ducking that sobriety. Fucking up the system, I ain't fucking with society. Justice ain't free, that's what justice ain't me. So I justify his name on the obituary. Why you wanna see a good man with a broken heart? Once upon a time, I used to go to church and talk to God. Now I'm thinking to myself, I look tips and sound like God. Now I'm drinking by myself at the intersection park. Watch you when you walk inside your house. You threw your briefcase alone the couch. I plan on creeping through your fucking door and blowing out every piece in your brain till your son jumped in your arm. Cut on the engine and sped off in the rain. I'm gone.
Somebody said you bumped your head and bled the floor. Jumped into a pit of flames and burned to cold. Drowned inside the lake outside where you flow.
You could actually spray sulfuric acid in the stratosphere 20 kilometers over our head and use that to stop the planet warming up in a kind of ugly tech fix.
You can spray something into the atmosphere to change. Okay,
Spray pollution into the atmosphere to stop it warming.
How do you do this?
You'd start with a fleet of modified business jet and say 20,000 tons of sulfuric acid into the stratosphere every year. And each year you have to put a little more. And this doesn't, in the long run, mean that you can forget about cutting emissions. We will need to rein in.
No, we'll get to it eventually. In the meantime, we're shrouding the Earth in sulfuric acid.
The CEO of McDonald's trying its new Big Arch Burger. Do we have that? Let's see it. There he is, right? A little bitty, itty bitty bite.
We have for poor people, right? We have that's for poor people. Who buys our people? I don't buy cannabis products barely anymore. It's unhealthy. Now that I know what the is in it, in a can of soup, I look at it and you can eat bioengineered meat. I don't want to eat a piece of chicken that came from a 3D print.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.
The whole time, they're trying to convince me I'm insane. They were trying to get me to take psychotic medication. Yeah.
Why isn't our nation listening? This could be them. I wouldn't be surprised if most of the nation is under mass mind control.
We need to discuss the nature and structure of our reality. And the first thing you need to understand, which is very hard, is that our world is a hallucination. It's a collective fantasy, all right?
anything going to get me in heaven.
Okay, I really don't. I think I'm not maybe heaven bound.